But that doesn't mean that we have hills, but the eastern slope of the hill. So the eastern slope of Chianti is the slope which leans towards what we call Val d'Arno, the Arno River Valley, which is cooler. But on the viticulture side, the eastern slope is interesting for one reason. The sunrise is from the east. So the eastern slope is the first one which gets the sun. So beautiful light, different lengths of wave, when it is still cool. Completely different aromatics and acidity and the efficiency of the photosynthesis. Because when it is too hot on the western side with the sunset, is much softer light, but is completely different effect, again, on acidity and aromatics. So, which doesn't mean that it is, again, one is better than the other, but a variety like Sangiovese, which tends to be quite high in acidity, the western slope tends to burn more acidity, so sometimes it's good. And it depends on the vintage, because some vintage, on the estate we have different locations, and we get different results in different vintages. Some year is better to have some vineyard on the eastern side, because we get the lively aspect of the aromatics. In some other vintage, it's very good to have the vineyards on the western slope, because they get a little softer. The southern, plain south, is it was what burns the aromatics the most. So living in Chianti, sometimes bureaucracy for work, and I come back and I say, wow, it's a very special place. Not only